We had a meeting by wait about the Tamil Nadu political situation. Basically, post-election scenario. Honorable Congress President Mallikarjuna Kharge ji, LOP Lok Sabha Rahul Gandhi ji, in charge Girish Choudhary was there. The president of TVK, Thiru Vijay, has requested the INC for support to form a government in Tamil Nadu. INC is clear that the mandate in Tamil Nadu is for a secular government committed to protecting the constitution in letter and spirit. The INC is determined not to have the BJP and the proxies run the government of Tamil Nadu in any manner. Thiru Vijay has spoken about drawing inspiration from Perum Thalaivar Kamaraj also. Accordingly, the Congress leadership has directed the TNCC to take a final decision on Thiru Vijay's request, keeping in view the sentiments of the state reflected in the electoral verdict. That's all. Thank you very much.